Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Evernote to manage research articles in just a few simple steps. Start by clicking the New Notebook button and typing Research Articles as the notebook name, then click Create. The notebook name field accepts up to 60 characters, so you have plenty of space for descriptive titles. A confirmation message appears at the top of your screen, and the notebook is created successfully. Your new notebook now appears in the notebook list on the left side of the screen. Click on the Research Articles notebook to open it. A loading spinner appears briefly, and the notebook page opens, showing an empty state with a prompt to create your first note. Click the New Note button to create a new note, and a blank note editor opens with the title field ready. The cursor automatically positions in the title field so you can start typing immediately. Type your note title into the field. For this example, I'm using Effects of Sleep on Memory. Keep your titles clear and searchable so you can find related notes quickly later. Click the More Actions button, which is the three-dot icon in the toolbar, and a menu drops down with several options including Edit Tags, Move Note, Export, and Delete. Select Edit Tags from the menu, and the menu closes, bringing up the Tag Management interface. In the Edit Tags dialog that appears, type Neuroscience into the tag field. A Create Tag suggestion appears, and the tag is selected automatically. Tags help you group related notes across different notebooks. Click the Save button to apply the tag, and the dialog closes, returning you to the note editor. A confirmation toast appears at the top of the screen, showing that one tag was edited successfully, and the Neuroscience tag now displays beneath your note title. You can add multiple tags to a single note by typing each one and pressing Enter before clicking Save. Tags help you filter and find related notes quickly across different notebooks. If you need to move a note to a different notebook later, open the More Actions menu again and choose Move to Notebook. Keep your notebook names descriptive and your tags consistent across similar articles so your research stays organized as your collection grows. And that's how to use Evernote to manage research articles. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.